Okay, we're in the studio of Jesse, and so what are we actually doing here?
Well, Ali rang me this morning and said she'd written a new song called Little White Crosses. And we're laying down the guide vocals and guide guitars to a click track, and we're going to send it away and get some other instrumentation done. So it's the birth of a song. It's only just been written too, I believe.
Yeah.
So it's really exciting.
Cool.
So we're going to put a vocal take. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We'll give it a crack. How's that volume?
Yep. Obnoxious and right on time.
Cool.
Just how I like it.
Alright, and the mix is okay with the... So do you want to do a take with the vocals and then we'll do a couple without?
Yeah.
Cool.
We will stand up, take each other's hand, help the people find their empathy, and together we will stand, little white crosses, hanging in the smoky air. Little white crosses, hanging in the smoky air. Little white crosses. Yep.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I thought it went really
Woo,
well.
fucking-
Wonderful.
I got right through without fucking it up.
Yeah, I know, it was amazing, and it's your first take too. You completely got it right through there.